Okay, now coming to the application of the Ampere law, here we'll be considering a long straight wire which is carrying current I. Okay, now I'll draw the Amperean loop around this long straight wire, keeping long straight wire at the center. On this Amperean loop, I'll select a length element which is highlighted by green sketch pen. If you see, this is my length element. I'll draw a okay, I'll draw or I'll try to subtend an angle from this end points, and this angle subtended by the end points of the length element is d theta. Now if this is at the center, wire is of course at the center, so the distance from this point to the length element on the Amperian loop is the radius of the Amperian loop. So even this is the radius, even the middle one will be the radius, and even this one will be the radius of the loop, and the angle subtended by the ends of the length element will be d theta. Now let's see the direction of the length element and the magnetic field. The length element will be tangential to the Amperian loop, and also magnetic field will be tangential to the Amperian loop. Means here there is no angle between magnetic field and the length element, means theta is 0. Now when I convert vector or this dot product into magnitude form, what I write? Cos theta. Cross product change करेंगे magnitude form में तो sin theta. So here we have dot product. When we go from this dot product to magnitude form, I'll write a cos theta, that is b dl cos theta. Now theta is 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. So this term goes from here. Now we just have b dl. Now what is dl? dl is nothing but r into d theta. So at place of dl we are writing r into d theta. After that, B is at a distance r from the wire. Yes, if you see from here, B is at a distance r from the wire. What is B in this case? If this is the straight wire carrying current, and due to this straight wire, at a particular point or at a distance r, the magnetic field produced by a long straight wire is given by this formula, that is mu naught I upon 2 pi r. If this is semi-infinite wire, this is my infinite wire, so magnetic field is mu naught I 2 pi r. If it is semi-infinite wire, then it will be, magnetic field will be mu naught I 4 pi r. Okay, now but it is infinite wire, not semi-infinite, so it is 2 pi r. So we got the magnetic field at a distance r from the wire. What is Ampere's law says? Close integral dot product between b dl. If we remove dot product, it will be b dl. Yes, we have seen dot product nikala, so it will be just b dl, because cos theta goes from here. How it goes I have explained. So it is just b dl. So from here we come to this place. B, what is B? Mu naught I upon 2 pi r. I have substituted dl as it is. Mu naught I is removed outside the integration. I'll remove that outside. See, mu naught I upon 2 pi is removed outside the integration. What remains inside the integration is just r. After that, if I want to remove this integration, close integral wala sign, C नीचे लिखो तो भी चलेगा, that is closed loop wala symbol. If you are not writing, then also it is okay. At some places it is written close integral and C is there over here. If you are writing it, then also it is okay. If you are not writing, then also it is okay. But you will have to mention this circle. Now if you remove this, if you want to remove this closed loop wala sign, means then you'll have to define the limits. How you define the limits for circle? It is the circle here, the theta for circle is 360, that is nothing but 2 pi. So your integral at lower limit you will write 0, at an higher limit you will write 2 pi, means your integration starts from 0 to 2 pi. So here see, I have not mentioned this closed wala sign because I have mentioned the limits. Now see, mu naught 2 pi and r, I are outside the integration. What is inside the integration? R and dl. Here it is r. What is dl? dl is r d theta. So at place of dl I am writing r d theta. this r in the numerator and the r in the denominator get cancelled. So we have just d theta. So when we have integration from 0 to 2 pi and d theta is just this part. ऐसे बहुत सारे d theta अगर मैं लेती जाऊँ तो ये पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट हो गया मतलब क्या? थीटा इज 2 pi. So when I will remove this integration, I will remove this integration over d theta. What I'll get? 2 pi. Okay. So the 2 pi in the numerator and 2 pi in the denominator gets cancelled. We just have mu naught I. Here it is in agreement with the Ampere's law. What Ampere's law told us? Close integral over in close integral over b dot product dl should be equal to mu naught I. Yes, we have brought this using my Ampere's law, using my Amperean loop. What can I say? Magnetic field here, okay, magnetic field is directly proportional to the current and inversely proportional to the distance. This is nothing, not related to this application. This was just a general thing which I have told. If you see mu naught and 2 pi, this is constant. So you can say magnetic field is directly proportional to current and inversely proportional to the distance. R is the distance, right? So here the application of the Ampere's law gets completed.